Yo, brother. Yo, you good? Yo, you get shot. One dear.
Just don't look at
You
sugar
carry
and water.
hospital. You carry hospital.
No,
Let me call the police then.
Just help me. Me yard it.
You so heavy, brother.
Oh, my killer rice.
Hold up your weight, brother. Hold up your weight. I know you're going to kill half the two. Hold up your weight, brother. You lose your thumb. How far you live, brother? Hold up. Yeah, how long it take for bring one man come around here, youth?
You think it's easy for play dead?
My youth, you come like some idiot. All this look like all a broke man you bring come around here.
Give me money, man.
You
Search
broke
it
your
up.
money. What follow me? You know, I'm not talking with you, youth. I want you. Search what? Yeah, youth. All you was a girl. You don't take baby up man in a youth. You're idiot, you know. You're dead, you're dead, you know.
Please don't kill me, please.
What do you mean by not kill you? Hey boy, they better call upon Jesus. Bad man not play a card game, you.
Tell you right when I save my life.
Save your life. You better call upon Jesus. Hey boy, give me them here. Come on if you're an idiot, you know. You can take man for fall.
Give him the card now, no?
Take card then.
Which one? Pick one.
See me pick one then. What you gonna do now?
Who's
Tell me
card
who's
this?
card, man?
Jack.
You won't know that.
Get
Hold
it.
this. Now pick one more card. Give me this.
Mama shuffle, mama shuffle, mama shuffle. Pick the card.
See me I pick one here. See what you gonna do now.
Trust me.
Bombard. After me tell you, say, we big man with money make rob the man, they bring over man around here. You're a big idiot, you know, you
I'm going to do myself now.
You're dead, you forgot dead. Walk out 9 million.
Juggling, like, share, subscribe right now.